Alrighty folks, I thawed 3 types of chicken, ground beef, and breakfast sausage. I sauteed the sausage, and once it was fully cooked and cooled, I placed into an airtight container for future meals. Then I moved on, and into 3 separate containers I placed chicken thighs, chicken breast, and chicken strips. I added beef tallow, white wine vinegar, and a splash of water to each bowl. For the first one I added sesame oil, soy sauce, and a Thai curry seasoning. The second one I did a Sazon Tropical seasoning, and the third I did Jamaican jerk, oregano, and some cinnamon. Of course I added garlic powder to all 3. We love garlic. Gave them all a quick toss, and once I was finished, I realized that I wanted to add a little bit of cumin powder to my tropical seasoning chicken. I put all the lids on, and I stacked them neatly in the bottom shelf of my refrigerator, and there you have it. I have 7 meals prepared for the week. Enjoy!